Hey guys, what's up? This is Geronimo and thank you for watching this video. And for today, i-explain ko sa inyo bakit magbabago yung schedule ng uploading natin dito sa channel na to. So lately, nag-appear na yung audience behavior ng YouTube channel ko or YouTube account ko. At nakikita ko na ngayon kung tuwing kailan naka-online yung mga viewers or mga subscribers ko. Basically, ang nakita ko ay every Thursday, Friday, and Sunday sila mostly active and madalas ay nasa gabing part. So my uploading schedule might change at ibabase ko dito sa data na to yung pag-upload ng video ko. And perfect kasi every Friday, di ba, meron tayong live stream dito sa channel na to. Medyo naudlot lang pero ibabalik natin yan. Kaya ayun, baka doong time na yon magiging available yung live stream natin and super helpful talaga na tingnan natin yung YouTube analytics natin kasi dito natin maintindihan yung behavior ng subscribers natin or mga viewers natin. Kung okay ba na doon tayo mag-upload or ano yung mga kailangan nating i-upload next and ano yung mga top videos natin na pwede nating sundan para i-upload next time sa YouTube channel natin. So the reason why I'm explaining this is that please check your YouTube analytics. Most of the time, nandoon talaga yung data na kailangan natin for us to improve our video and for us to grow on YouTube channel. Wala pong masyadong sikreto. And also, TubeBuddy can also help you in growing your YouTube channel by reaching your specific audience or your target audience dun sa video na yon. If your video is searchable or your video is ranking on top, TubeBuddy will really help you. If you want to try this 30-day free trial of TubeBuddy in any plans, just go in our description box. Meron tayo dong link para matry mo to ng 30 days na hindi ka gumagastos pa muna. And if gusto mo talaga siya avail, guys, this is worth it kahit yung starter pa lang na plan. So that's our video for today. Thank you for watching this video and I think this setup will really fit my video for now. And thank you for watching our videos recently and thank you for supporting this channel. If you want to grow more or learn more about photography, videography, editing, and vlogging, consider clicking the subscribe button. And if you like this video, don't forget to click the like and share button. We also have our Buy Me a Coffee link in our description box below. Once again, this is Geronimo. Thank you for watching this video and see you on my next one. Bye. Peace.